Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're new to this channel, we're glad to have you here. And to all our subscribers, thank you guys so much for coming back and thank you for joining me. For today's video, I'll be making balloon chain using 260 balloon. So you can either use your hand pump or an electric pump. So this one, you can check this in our Amazon storefront. We'll put the link in the description down below. Alright, with that said, let's start. So before you inflate this, you need to stretch. So inflate it like that, tie this in. Once you tie this, just fold. You can either make it bigger or smaller. So for this, in this case, I'll make it like this big. And then you pinch this and twist. Once you do that, you wrap this around. Give it a little squeeze and then tie. I like to double the knot. Okay, once you got this, cut the tip, cut the other end. So just like that, okay? So now you can still use this, inflate this as well. Okay, once you got it tied, don't tie this yet. So put this in here, inside, and then wrap this around like about the same size. You do the same thing, you pinch and then you twist, and then tie this. Again, cut the excess. Okay, so that's how you make your balloon chain. So you continue on. So now get another one, stretch, and then before you tie this, put this in here, pinch and twist. So just like that, guys, you continue on until you want it longer or shorter. If you want it longer and you already have one, you can always connect them. So make another one. Just like that. And to connect them, just have to put one in here and one in here as well. Just like that. And the same thing. Alright, there you go, guys. It's our balloon chain. Once again, this is Phantom in White. I hope you like this and learned something from this video today. If you do like this, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.